Hello everyone, myself Dr. Pooja Chawla, working as professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. I welcome you all in the E-Lab series conducted by ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. Today, I will be telling you about the practical that is in the subject of medicinal chemistry of PharmD third year. Here, the aim of the practical will be to synthesize para-nitroacetanilide from acetanilide. The requirements or the chemicals required for the practical are acetanilide, glacial acetic acid, concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. The reaction is actually performed because we cannot carry out nitration of aniline as it is. So, first of all we synthesize acetanilide from aniline, and after that when we perform nitration of acetanilide, the para-nitro product is formed, that is para-nitroacetanilide. Although ortho-nitroacetanilide is formed, but it is in minor product and we don't have to consider that here. As per GLP and for the safety measures, we should always wear gloves and mask while performing the practical. The requirements for the experiment are acetanilide, glacial acetic acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid and ice bath. The general apparatus or glassware required for the practical are beakers, measuring cylinder, dropper, glass rod, spatula, filter paper, funnel as well as butter paper for weighing the chemicals. The glassware should be properly cleaned and dried before performing the experiment. The quantities are acetanilide 2.5 gram, glacial acetic acid 3 ml, concentrated sulfuric acid 5 ml and concentrated nitric acid will be 1.1 ml. Dissolve dry acetanilide in glacial acetic acid in a beaker. While shaking. After that, place this assembly in ice bath and introduce concentrated sulfuric acid slowly with constant stirring. To obtain a clear solution. The beaker will be throughout placed in the freezing ice bath so as to maintain the temperature below 5 degrees centigrade. Add a cold mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid with constant stirring to the reaction mixture while maintaining the temperature below 5 degrees centigrade. This step will also be performed slowly. After adding all the mixture acid, remove the beaker from freezing ice bath and keep it for 1 hour at room temperature with occasional stirring. After 1 hour, pour the reaction mixture to ice cold water to obtain the crude product of para-nitroacetanilide with constant stirring. Filter the product wash with cold water the crude para-nitroacetanilide as a pale yellow solid is obtained. The filtrate contains orthonitroacetanilide because it is soluble in water and it gets dissolved by washing with cold water. After drying the crude product, it can be recrystallized from ethanol to get white crystals of para-nitroacetanilide. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe ISF YouTube channel.